how to download or save Instagram reels to your phone's gallery. So for that, let's choose a reel. All right, so let's choose this reel to download. So from here you will find this share button. All right, just tap it, and then you will find this download option. Press the download option and it will ask you download without audio. So yeah, press download, and then you will see okay, finish downloading. So this file will be on your gallery after that, but in some reels there will be no download button. So let's find a reel where is no download button. Okay, so as you can see in this reel there is no download button. So how to save this reel? So for that, press the save add to story, and then you need to adjust it to the full screen. All right, and then you need to tap the three dots and save. So let's wait. All right, so yeah, as you can see, video saved. So when you open your gallery you will find the videos on your gallery. So yeah, that's how you do it. Hope this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.